The Discovery Channel Global Education Fund presents Solar and Wind Power, electricity made by the power of the sun and wind. Energy from the sun and wind can create electricity. Discover how in Solar and Wind Power. Energy is heat, light, and motion. Energy makes things grow. Energy is all around us. Energy makes things happen. Electricity provides the energy to turn on a light, a television, to run our machines, and much more. Where does electricity come from? Most of the world's electricity comes from the stored energy found in coal, oil, and natural gas. Large power stations burn this fuel, releasing its stored energy to produce electricity. But what if you are among the 2 billion people around the world who are not connected by wire to a power station? Is there any other source of energy that can make electricity? Yes, the sun. Our Earth is traveling around a huge ball of energy. The sun is like an enormous power station that makes life on Earth possible. When the sun rises, flowers open. Reptiles warm up and become active. Plants convert sunlight into food. Even when we sit in the sun to get warm, we are using solar energy. Every day, the sun sends out a huge amount of energy that fuels our life on Earth. People have discovered many ways to harness the energy of the sun. A simple solar collector system can provide people with heat and hot water. But how is the sun's energy turned into electricity that we can use in our homes? Solar electricity, or electricity made from the sun, is made by special devices called photovoltaic panels. Photo means light, and a volt is a measure of electricity. Photovoltaic panels convert the energy of the sun directly into electricity. These panels can be used in many places, including the roof of your home. Photovoltaic panels are made up of many smaller sections called solar cells. When sunlight hits the solar cells, electrons begin to move and flow through the connecting wire. This flow of electrons is what we call electricity. And electrical energy created by the photovoltaic cells can be stored in a battery and used at night when there is no sun. Photovoltaic panels are used to convert the sun's light into electricity all around the world. Even in outer space, some satellites orbiting the Earth use solar panels to generate their own power. The sun plays a part in another source of energy that can be used to make electricity: the wind. Wind is air in motion. Wind is caused by the uneven heating of the Earth's surface. Wind energy can be put to work. A boat with a sail uses the wind to push it through the water. A farmer may use wind energy to pump water from wells for thirsty animals. Like water or light from the sun, wind is a natural resource with muscle. Each can be converted by a tool to make electricity. A wind machine converts the energy of the wind into electricity. A wind machine has blades that spin round and round in the wind. It is placed on a high tower where the wind blows faster than it does closer to the ground. The force of the wind is used to generate electric power in much the same way water is used to create hydroelectric power. The energy of this natural resource powers a generator in the wind machine. How does a generator make electricity? The wind power causes an iron bar wrapped in wire inside the generator to spin very fast. This creates a magnetic force that in turn causes electrons in the wire to move. And what happens when electrons move? Electricity. Electricity travels through metal wires connected to the generator, down the pole and along other larger wires, where they run to nearby homes and businesses. Wind machines are grouped together in what are called wind farms. That way, they can create enough electricity to supply many people at one time. Energy is all around us. Energy makes things happen. Around the world, people use the energy found in the heat and the light of the sun, and in the motion of the wind, to create electricity. The Discovery Channel Global Education Fund suggests the following activity. The sun dries your clothes. The wind cools you down. Make a list of other things which are affected by the heat and light of the sun or by the motion of the wind.